Local business owners fed up, speaking out after dipping thousands of dollars into medical marijuana, into ventures using that. 12 News' Tao Ta spoke to a farmer who says she's not giving up. Tao?
Melanie, at the heart of the issue is that the initiatives need signatures from 5 congressional districts to get on the ballot, but the state has only had 4 districts, and it dropped to 4 after the 2000 census. Dr. Cindy Ayers, the owner of a Jackson-based farm, says she invested at least $70,000 to open up shop of what would have been her medical marijuana business. The state Supreme Court's decision Friday halting any chances of that happening anytime soon. A fight Dr. Ayers is not giving up.
We were intending and still are intending, because we believe in the people, and the people will have their say.
State leaders echo in, calling on Governor Tate Reeves to call a special session to straighten out the ballot initiative process that tossed out the voter-approved medical marijuana initiative in November. The statement from House Speaker Philip Gunn reads, "We 100% believe in the right of the people to use the initiative process to express their views on public policy. If the legislature does not act on an issue that the people of Mississippi want, then the people need a mechanism to change the law." Ken Neuberger is the executive director for Mississippi Medical Marijuana Association. He says the state Supreme Court's decision overturns the will of the people.
People who were ready to change their business interests from what they're doing right now to medical marijuana to better serve patients across the state. And they're now looking to the legislature and their elected officials.
The people speaking out.
Just like cotton was, marijuana, recreational, whatever it's going to be, medical, it's going to be a cash crop. And what I'm so concerned about is that it will be only a few people that will be able to participate.
Madison Mayor Mary Hawkins Butler, who filed suit to block Initiative 65, has remained quiet since Friday's Supreme Court decision. Her office says she hasn't issued a statement as of late.
The big problem is that the Mississippi Supreme Court communicated directly to the voters of the state that their vote doesn't matter.
The future of voter initiative process could very well rest in the hands of legislators.
So until this laws are changed or the right people are elected who believe in the people to do some things differently, we'll be doing this over and over again, and it's time out for that.
And Lieutenant Governor Delbert Hosemann will hold a meeting tomorrow with local elected officials to discuss the 2021 legislative session and then upcoming issues for the 2022 legislative session. We'll be there and have the latest on WJTV. Byron.